Hello, I am Sai Venkat and I am from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my B.Tech in the year 2019 from Geetham University. After completing my graduation, I am searching for a job in the IT industry and came to know about Evision Technoserve Private Limited. Evision Technoserve Private Limited is a IT recruitment and consultancy company. After joining their OJT program, I got real-time work exposure on CCNA, cybersecurity, Windows administration, and there are different trainers for different modules. And in CCN, I learned about basics of networking, IP addressing, subnetting, different types of routing like dynamic routing, static routing, and default routing, and different technologies like WAN technologies, HSRP. And in Windows administration, I learned about how to create work group, domain joining, disk management, device manager, and how to configure Outlook automatically and dynamically. And I have done troubleshooting sessions in BS4D, WDS, and event viewer, and troubleshooting Outlook. And every week there will be a mock interviews. Through the mock interviews, I learned from my mistakes, and I'm now fully confident that I will crack my interview in my first interview. Thank you.